So here we have the Ford Puma on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase that space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, and on the right-hand side, the rev counter. Also, from the right-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, and on the far left, the coolant temperature gauge. In the middle at the bottom, you can see the total miles of this car, which are 14,363. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. And on the right-hand side, we have controls to change the information that's displayed in that central area that we were looking at just a moment ago. We have stereo controls beneath that, and the stereo controls continue over on the left-hand side just here. The main stereo itself is over in the center, of course. You can pair your phone from here. Hit add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to music, we've got a number of ways we can listen to that. So AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio as well. And this car's got two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. We can go back to the home screen and access our satellite navigation from here as well. There's a full video that shows how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo, and at the bottom here, the air conditioning for the car. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, and the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that button will turn your air conditioning on, and it's on at the moment. It will turn it off again as well, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. And again, you can turn that off as easily as you turned it on. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Underneath that, we have some storage, a 12-volt charging socket and USB input just here, the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these controls down the bottom. So you can turn the stop and start off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That's now turned off. You can turn the traction control off, and this button will change the driving setup of the car. So every push of the button, you will see, will change it from normal, eco, sport, slippery, trail, and then back round to normal again. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.